Are you interested in mastering the art of creating cinematic scenes in Unreal Engine for Fortnite? In this guide, we will walk you through each step of the process. Start by placing the cinematic device on your island in Unreal Engine for Fortnite. Then, add the props you want to animate and arrange them where you want the action to happen. In the content browser, right-click and select Cinematic from the menu that appears. Then, choose Level Sequence and give your cinematic sequence a clear and descriptive name. This will help you stay organized as you build and manage your scenes. Double-click on your newly created level sequence to open the sequencer window. This is where you'll add, arrange, and animate your props. In the sequencer window, click the Add Plus button, then select Actor from the menu. Use the search bar to find the prop or object you want to animate and select it. Click the plus symbol icon next to your prop, choose Transform to add a transformation element. Adjust the position of your prop in the scene. Use the Move, Rotate, and Scale tools to place it exactly where you want it to start. Hit Enter on your keyboard to place your first keyframe. Move the marker line, the timeline cursor, to a new point where you want your object to change position. Once the marker is in place, move your prop to the next desired position in the scene. And hit the Enter key to add another keyframe. Keep adjusting the timeline marker to different points where you want your prop to move. After each adjustment, move the prop to its new position and hit Enter to add a keyframe. Repeat this process to create a smooth animation as your prop moves through the scene, with each keyframe marking a new position along the timeline. I want to take a moment to thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful to you. If you found it useful, please leave a like or a comment to let us know how we did. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss any future Unreal Engine for Fortnite tutorials. Thanks again, and we look forward to helping you with your next project. To define where your animation ends, adjust the red marker on the timeline. Move it to the point where you want your animation to finish. This tells the sequence the exact moment your animation should stop, ensuring that it runs smoothly from start to finish. Click the Save icon to save your progress, then close the sequencer window. Make sure to move your animated prop out of sight. Next, select your cinematic device in the scene, and in the device settings, drag your newly created cinematic sequence into the sequence box. This links your cinematic to the device, allowing it to play when triggered in the game. Once that's done, congratulations! You've successfully created your first cinematic in Unreal Engine for Fortnite. Now you can sit back and enjoy your creation.